Assalamu alaikum friends. This I'm Mumin Majid and I welcome you all to my channel Mathematical Institute of Learning. Here we'll start our first topic, that is ordered pairs, and the chapter is relation and functions. Okay. Now I will write a definition of the ordered pairs, that is a pair of elements listed in a specific order is called an ordered pairs. Okay, so whenever you have pair of elements, two elements which are listed in some order, okay, that's called the ordered pair. And always remember, we denote the ordered pair by these small braces. Okay, and if let's suppose we have ordered pair A comma B, such that A belongs to the first A set. Let's suppose this is some set A and B belongs to set another set B. Okay, this is our ordered pair. Okay, so this is our first element. We can write it as this is the first element of the ordered pair, and this is our second element of the ordered pair. Okay, let's say example, if we take the example, I can say 3 comma 4. Here 3 is our first element and 4 is our second element. Okay, so what is ordered pair? Ordered pair is nothing but pair of elements. Whenever we write pair of elements which are listed in a specific order, that's called the ordered pair. Okay, and we represent the ordered pair by small braces. Like if you have an ordered pair A comma B in small braces, this A is our first element and B is our second element. Now let us see, when can two ordered pairs be equal? So equality of ordered pairs. So it is equality of ordered pairs. Okay, so I'll write the definition here. Two ordered pairs are said to be equal if and only if their corresponding elements are equal. What does this mean? Let's suppose example, I have an ordered pair A comma B and another ordered pair C comma D. These two ordered pairs will be equal. They will be equal when they will be equal if the first element of this ordered pair is equal to the first element of this ordered pair, and here the first element is A, that means A should be equal to C. Similarly, the second element should be equal to the second element of this ordered pair, and B should be equal to D. So this is the equality of ordered pairs. Now here we will have, here's a note, it's very important. If you take A comma B and if you take B comma A as two ordered pairs, these two ordered pairs are not same. Even if the entries in the two are same, like A comma B are the elements in this ordered pair, also here also A comma B, but here order is different. That's why I said in the definition of the ordered pairs, it is a pair of elements listed in specific order. Here order is very important. So A comma B and B comma A are different ordered pairs. Okay, let's see an example. Okay, so the example is x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 1. You have to find x and y. Okay, now by the definition of the equality of the ordered pairs, here we can imply x plus these two should be equal if and only if x plus 1 is equal to 3 and y minus 2 is equal to 1. Here we'll get x is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2, and here we'll get x is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3. So we have calculated x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, now there is a question on the equality of the ordered pairs in exercise 2.1. You can find it in our textbook. Okay, NCERT textbook. There is a question number 1 on the equality of the ordered pairs. It's given that x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. It's given. So you have to find x and y. Question is you have to find the x and y. Very simple. By the definition of the equality of the ordered pairs, we can say that x by 3 plus 1 should be equal to 5 by 3. Okay, and also we can say y minus 2 by 3 should be equal to 1 by 3. Now let's calculate this. I will get 5 by 3 minus 1, and here I will get 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and here we get x by 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 3, and I will get here 2 plus 1 divided by 3, and this 3 and 3 goes. Okay, I will write a little bit here, or y is equal to 2 plus 1 divided by 3, and that's equal to 3 divided by 3, and y is equal to 1 here. Okay, and what is x here? So I will get x is equal to simply 5 minus 3 is 2. So I have calculated the x and the y. So this is all about the ordered pairs. Let's come to the next topic, which is Cartesian product of two sets. Okay. Now there is another topic number 2, Cartesian product of two sets. First I will write a definition on the board, that is the set of all ordered pairs. The set of all ordered pairs of elements from A and B. So actually, what is Cartesian product? Cartesian product is nothing but it is a set of all ordered pairs of elements from A and B. If you took the elements from A as well as from B and you took them pairwise and in some specific order, the set of all possible ordered pairs, okay, is called your Cartesian product. So it is denoted by A cross B. Now mathematically, if I have to define the A cross B, it is some set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to the set A and B belongs to the set B. This is very important definition. So it means that the first entry should be taken from the first set and the second entry should be taken from the set B. Now we'll give some examples to illustrate this. Let's say we have an example: A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. If we were asked to find the Cartesian product, we'll do it simply by first entry should be taken from A, and we have to list here all the possible combinations. So we'll take first 1, 3, then 1, 4, then 1, 5. Similarly 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. This is the A cross B. Okay, similarly one can find B cross A as also. So that will be simply reverse: 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2. Now it's obvious from this A cross B and B cross A, they are not equal. Okay. But here we can see one thing: the number of elements in A cross B, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one can see, even if the A cross B and B cross A, they are not equal, but the number of entries, number of elements in the A cross B and B cross A are equal. This is very important. One has to note this. We can take another example. Let's suppose we want to have a Cartesian product of not two sets, but two equal sets. Okay. So let's say, I'll give an example. Let's say an example number 2. Let's suppose A is your 1, 2. Okay. And you want to calculate A cross A. What does it mean? You have to Cartesian product of two equal sets. It is called the Cartesian product of two equal sets. So we can take 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2. Okay. So now I want to write a note. As we discussed earlier, A cross B is never equal to B cross A. Yes, it is equal to. It is equal to B cross A when the two sets are equal. So I can say A cross B is equal to B cross A if and only A and B are equal sets. Okay, then and only we can say A cross B is equal to B cross A. And also we learned that number of elements in A cross B is always equal to number of elements in B cross A. So next we'll discuss about the number of elements in the Cartesian product of two sets. So I will erase this. So I'll write here number of elements in Cartesian product of two sets. Let's suppose we have two sets, set A and set B, and the cardinality of A is, let's suppose, M, and the cardinality of B is your N. Okay, and then the number of elements in the A cross B would be equal to M cross N. Okay, let's see an example. If A is equal to 1, 2, let's suppose B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. If you were to ask to calculate the cardinality of A cross B, you want to calculate it. So first you will see cardinality of A is 2 and the cardinality of B is 4. So it means cardinality of A cross B will be equal to this multiplied by this. It will become 8. Okay. So this is the number of elements in the Cartesian product of two sets. Now next topic is representing the Cartesian product of two sets by arrow diagram. So I will write here representing the Cartesian product of two sets by arrow diagram. Okay, let's see an example. Example will say, let's suppose A is our set 1, 2 and B is our set 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if I calculate the A cross B, it will become 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. And one can represent the A cross B by using arrow diagram also. What is it? This is our set A and this is our set B. In the set A we have 1 and 2. In the set B we have 3, 4 and 5. And 1 is related to 3, 1 is related to 4, 1 is related to 5. 2 is also related to 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay. Thank you so much. This is all about the ordered pair and Cartesian product of the two sets. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the relations. What do we mean by relations and how we are gonna calculate the domain and the range of the relations. Thank you so much.